Cases of the Delta Plus variant classified as a variant of concern have been detected sporadically in Maharashtra, Kerala and Madhya Pradesh, the Union Health Ministry said on Wednesday. Delta variant as well as all Delta sublineages including Delta Plus are classified as VOC, it said. As of now, among the samples sequenced in India, Delta Plus variant AY.1 has been observed sporadically in Maharashtra, Kerala and Madhya Pradesh with around 40 cases identified so far and no significant increase in prevalence, the ministry said in its statement. These three states have been advised to strengthen surveillance and take appropriate public health measures after the report of AY.1 by the Public Health England on June 11. Retrospective analysis of samples revealed the first occurrence of this lineage from a sample collected from Maharashtra. The sample was collected on April 5 as the June 18, 205 sequences of AY.1 lineage was detected worldwide, with the USA and UK having over half of the known cases, the statement said. INSSCOG had recently identified a viral variant. This viral variant has also been seen in 9 other countries of the world. In SACOG, in an Indian consortium of 28 labs established by the Government of India to carry out genome sequencing of the virus causing the COVID-19 pandemic. The World Health Organization has introduced a classification as VOC and VOI with the evolution of several variants around the globe. Delta variant as well as all Delta sublineages, including Delta Plus, are classified as VOC. The statement said the Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genomic Consortia reported the evolution of Delta Plus variant plus K417N lineage of SARS-CoV-2 called B161721. The Delta variant is characterized by K417N mutation in spike protein, the statement said. The spike proteins add virus to gain receptor-mediated entry into human cell. K417N corresponds to the change of amino acid to arspagin at the 417th position of spike protein. There are other Delta Plus variants with other mutations. The AY.1 is the most well known, but these are not identical. A second clade found in sequences upload to GSI-8 from the USA is now designated AY.2 but is not seen in India yet, the statement said. All Delta sublineages are treated as a variant of concern VOC. All the properties of AY.1 are still being investigated. Currently, the variant frequency of AY.1 is low in India. Cases with AY.1 have been mostly reported from 9 countries of Europe, Asia and America, the ministry statement stated. The SARS-CoV-2 virus causing COVID-19 virus is mutating continuously with increase in number of infections both across the world and in India. Mutations help the virus to become either more transmissible or more virulent or both. With times, these mutations, known as variants of interest, increases in frequency in the selected population and are considered then as VOC.